Welcome back to Facts of Life, where we explore the incredible world of science and nature. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating lives of our closest relatives in the animal kingdom, the great apes. Ever wondered what makes them so smart, strong, and surprisingly human? Stick around to uncover some jaw-dropping facts that'll change the way you see these amazing creatures. Let's get started. Smart, strong, savage. Let's start off with the primal beast, the chimpanzee. Number 1. Chimpanzees have their own cultural traditions. Chimpanzees are known to have diverse cultural behaviors that vary from group to group, much like human traditions. For example, some chimpanzee communities use specific tools for cracking nuts, while others might use sticks to extract termites from mounds. These behaviors are passed down through generations, showing that chimpanzees can learn and teach complex actions, much like humans do. These cultural differences highlight how chimpanzees are not just intelligent, but also capable of creating and maintaining traditions that influence their way of life. Number 2. Cannibalism power tactics. Chimpanzees have been observed eating the flesh of other chimpanzees. When a dominant male kills a rival, he may cannibalize parts of the body to show force and power. This brutal act isn't just about survival, it's about sending a message. It's a display of power and dominance that leaves no doubt who's in charge. Cannibalism isn't just reserved for weaker chimps. It's also used to assert control over the social order. It's a chilling reminder that the line between predator and prey is razor thin in their world. Number 3. Chimpanzees practice torture. Chimpanzees play with their prey. It's disturbing and cruel. They will sometimes capture smaller animals like monkeys and not immediately kill them, but instead drag them around or rip them apart slowly. This behavior shows a dark side to their intelligence. They understand how to toy with life and death. They can make the kill last for longer than necessary, prolonging the suffering of their victim. This is no accident, it's strategic, showing a calculated cruelty in their approach to survival. The prey often has no chance of escape, making their fate all but sealed. Number 4. Chimpanzees have a bloodlust when it comes to territory. Territorial disputes can quickly turn violent, and chimpanzees don't hesitate to kill when they feel their territory is threatened. They'll ambush rival groups, using their coordinated group strength to brutally overpower them. It's a game of survival, and the loser often pays the ultimate price. When they want something, they take it, and they take it by force. These territorial wars are not just about the space itself, they're about asserting dominance, sending a clear warning to anyone who dares to challenge their rule. A single attack can shift the power balance for years. Number 5. Male dominance and mating opportunities. In chimpanzee societies, dominance plays a significant role in mating opportunities. The alpha male often gets the first chance to mate with females in estrus. He maintains his dominance through aggression, displays of strength, and other social strategies. However, lower-ranking males sometimes find ways to mate with females, particularly if the dominant male is distracted or if the female is not in estrus. Mating success for a male chimp is strongly tied to his rank within the group, as higher-ranking males typically have more access to fertile females. Number 6. Chimpanzees and humans share a common ancestor. Chimpanzees didn't evolve from humans, and humans didn't evolve from chimps. Instead, both species evolved from a common ancestor that lived around 6 to 7 million years ago. This ancient primate was neither human nor chimp, But over millions of years, the evolutionary paths split. One lineage led to modern humans, genus Homo, and the other led to modern chimpanzees, Pan troglodytes, and bonobos, Pan paniscus. This makes chimpanzees and bonobos our closest living evolutionary relatives. Meet the red-haired legends of the jungle, intelligent, powerful, and living powerhouses. These are the orangutans. Number 1. They are keystone species. Orangutans play a vital ecological role as gardeners of the forest. They eat a wide variety of fruits, and the seeds pass through their digestive system and get dispersed throughout the forest. This helps maintain the diversity and health of tropical ecosystems. Without orangutans, entire rainforest ecosystems could start to collapse. Their absence would significantly affect hundreds of plant and animal species that rely on the same forests. Number 2. Orangutans are the only great apes native to Asia. Orangutans are found only in the rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra, 2 islands in Southeast Asia. Unlike gorillas and chimpanzees who live in Africa, orangutans are Asia's only great apes. The 2 main species, Bornean and Sumatran orangutans, are critically endangered due to deforestation and illegal wildlife trade. A third, rarer species called the Tapanuli orangutan was discovered in 2017 in northern Sumatra. This makes orangutans not only biologically unique, but also regionally exclusive, adding urgency to efforts to protect their habitats. Number 3. Orangutans' ancient relatives, the Gigantopithecus. The Gigantopithecus was a colossal primate that roamed Asia between 2 million and 300,000 years ago, standing at up to 10 feet tall and weighing more than 1,000 pounds. Gigantopithecus was likely the largest ape to ever live. Fossil evidence suggests that they lived in similar environments to modern orangutans, in dense forests. The modern orangutan is the last living relative of these giant primates, sharing a common ancestor that lived 10 million years ago. Number 4. Some male orangutans force mating. This is a dark side of orangutan behavior. Unflanged males, those without cheek pads, sometimes forcibly mate with females, using aggression and surprise. This disturbing behavior is believed to be a reproductive strategy, since flanged males are more attractive to females and often dominate mating opportunities. While hard to watch, it's a reminder of how harsh and complex survival and reproduction can be in the wild. Number 5. Orangutans share 97% of their DNA with humans. Genetically, orangutans are about 97% similar to humans, making them one of our closest relatives in the animal kingdom. This close connection explains their emotional depth, intelligence, and social behaviors. They can express emotions like joy, fear, and sadness, and they form strong bonds with their young. Their resemblance to humans goes beyond DNA. They even have individual fingerprints. This deep genetic link makes studying orangutans incredibly valuable for understanding human evolution and behavior. Number 6. Orangutan means person of the forest. The name orangutan comes from the Malay and Indonesian words, orang meaning person and hutan meaning forest. So the name literally means person of the forest. It's a fitting name for a species that is so closely related to us and lives almost entirely among the trees. This name reflects the deep cultural and ecological connection orangutans have with Southeast Asia. In some local legends, orangutans are believed to be forest spirits or even mystical forest people. Giants of the jungle, kings without crowns, meet the gorillas. Number 1. Gorillas have dominant males in mating systems. Gorilla mating systems are generally polygynous, meaning one dominant male mates with multiple females. This dominant male is often the silverback, which is an older, larger male distinguished by a silver-colored patch on its back. The silverback not only mates with the females in his group, but also provides protection, leadership, and stability. His authority over the group is established through displays of strength and intimidation, ensuring his status as the primary mate. Number 2. Gorilla evolution and the rise of the silverback. The silverback, the dominant male of the gorilla group, is a relatively recent evolutionary development. The silverback's characteristic silver back appears around 12-15 years old, after which the male assumes a position of leadership in the group. This evolutionary trait helped males stand out, signaling their age, strength, and leadership role, which was essential for social cohesion and mating success. The silverback's rise mirrors the importance of social hierarchy and dominance in gorilla evolution. Number 3. Unbelievable physical strength. Gorillas are among the strongest animals on the planet in terms of sheer muscle mass. A fully grown male silverback can lift approximately 10 times its body weight, which means a gorilla weighing 400 pounds could theoretically lift up to 4,000 pounds with ease. Their physical strength is not just about size, it's their muscle fiber density and raw power that make them so formidable. If humans were able to match that strength to body size, we would be able to deadlift over 4,000 pounds, the weight of a small car. Number 4. Massive bite force. The bite strength of a gorilla is another testament to their immense power. Their jaw muscles are incredibly strong, and their molars and canines are built for chewing tough plant material and even bark. Gorillas can exert a bite force of up to 1,300 pounds per square inch, far stronger than a lion's bite. This means that in a survival situation, a gorilla could easily crush bones or tear through dense, fibrous plants and branches, which is crucial for foraging in the wild. Number 5. Maintaining plant diversity. Gorillas consume a huge variety of plants, including stems, leaves, fruit, and bark. By feeding on dominant plant species, they prevent any one species from taking over the forest. This creates space and opportunity for a diverse range of plant life to grow, supporting a healthier and more balanced ecosystem. This biodiversity is not only vital for the forest's health, but also for the survival of countless other animal species that rely on different plants for food and shelter. Number 6. Silverback Challenge Day. When two male gorillas, especially silverbacks, fight for dominance, the confrontations are brutal and can end in serious injury or death. These battles can last for hours and involve clawing, biting, and wrestling, all fueled by the overwhelming physical strength of the gorillas. In some cases, a gorilla may even rip out the throat of its opponent in a desperate bid to assert dominance. It's not uncommon for rival males to suffer deep gashes or broken limbs after these fights. The aggression is fueled by a need to protect the group and mating rights, but the violence involved can be shocking. And that's a wrap on today's episode on Facts of Life. If you learned something new about our great ape cousins, give this video a like. Subscribe for more daily facts, and drop a comment on which ape you found the most fascinating. As always, thanks for watching. Your support means everything. Until next time, stay curious.